Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Black Couch. Namsoroni disera. Utotomelo zeri zarupeza.
Muvhango atendera smile.
Unosmela unose. Kusha vantu kai. Chigwena.
No.
Wait, nichi kuactor ngoba une chimwa chote.
Yeah.
No.
Not all the time.
Oh, ne.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, you're still saying okay, no, not 30. Okay, it's fine. We'll talk about it later. So guys, I was still saying welcome to another episode of the Black Couch. I'm Sinete Reneilwe Nemakonde, also known as Miss Mudau, right?
It's Dr. Reneilwe Nemakonde.
You're a doctor now?
I'm a doctor.
No one ambara scribe.
Yeah.
This other time.
Yes.
I didn't have TV now, so I'm jobbing. And only into Venda.
Muvhango unakazi Facebook unakazi view.
That's one at least ndokona bona ntwene hapo. Aka view to Ed, so that is it. So yeah, anyways guys, so we're coming at you live from Lens Hub Studios. Bawana 39 Gwigwim Rebi Street, Newtown, and then you can contact them on 081 473 4775 or lenshubs@gmail.com. If you know what to do, do to post and I'm raw. So yeah, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, man. So namsindozana Sinete for Dr. Reneilwe
Nemakonde.
Dr. Reneilwe Nemakonde. So yeah, and rodzana happen so and one query rodzana for people who don't know you out there.
Oh,
Sa Sinete, not Reneilwe.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sinete Nemakonde. I'm just
that.
Yeah, that's just that.
I was doing it. Oh, Sinete uita besides never from the zone Reneilwe.
Oh, I'm just a small girl with a big god.
Wait, what's with you guys now? Those are small girl, big god. I mean.
Oh, it means
You also believe in that, or
yeah. Or I'm just a girl, and everything that you see outside of me being a girl is God.
Okay, and then so Rich Kamazori, Dr. Mudau with the Mudau as a son on the story.
Yeah.
Do you also wish to get married at some point?
Of course.
It's not like it's not for everyone, because not when they're like.
It's for me.
Oh, why is that?
No, I just like.
Yeah, why is that?
I think I love the idea of marriage, having a partner to share your life with, having someone there for you all the time.
Really?
Your personal person.
Do you have one at the moment? Because I'm more than I'm 12 often, except for you. Wait, I'm going to say yes. I'm sure. You can even introduce your friends if you want people to know Raonani, but why they were coming.
Do you guys want to be introduced?
All of you introduce one and Tibatum Divanene.
Arna Mranga, Duwabo, one hour tender.
What one attend Zim?
Hey. And there's Cameron. Cameron is my friend. He's also Mranga's personal person.
Oh, nice. Hila ni chokwatao.
Chokwatao. Diwa sincere wala.
Domi?
Sincere.
Okay, so just a background nyana cause rimdibaka Muvhango na Minity. So before Muvhango, I'm sure you went to school na Mini. So what? Oh, actually, where are you from? Because not 1 year school in Venda. Marana Venda what do you?
No, I live in Venda. I'm from Makwarela. Born and bred. I lived there for about, I think it was 13 years before I stayed in Mpumalanga for about 2 years, and then I came back to Venda.
What were you doing in Mpumalanga?
My dad stayed there, so
nice.
I moved in with my dad.
And then Venda was kuzurani?
Namyang.
Oh, what about you? Yeah, so you're still saying Mpumalanga
yeah,
in that
I stayed
time?
in Mpumalanga for 2 years with my dad, and then I came back to stay with my mom.
Yeah.
And then after that, I went to varsity, Lojana AFDA, Johannesburg.
Yeah.
I studied live performance, so I'm a qualified actor.
Wait, live performance?
Live performance is acting, stage and screen acting.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then one of this other time we were speaking, you told me you always doing back and forth between Venda and Joburg. So why is that? As I told you,
Oh, right now I'm full-time in Joburg, but at the time I was working in Venda.
Wait, what are you doing in Venda?
I was a casting director.
For what?
For this other...
Children.
Oh my God.
No, and the way they play it, even I don't know any other show.
No.
Yeah.
No, there's a production company. It's bad. So it's called Limpopo Home Cinema.
Mm.
Yeah, I was a casting director at Limpopo Home Cinema.
What are they shooting there?
They shoot lots of things: movies, series, TV shows. Yeah.
Any nenga
They
we
also
do.
do. Do you know Men in Crisis?
Nah.
Yeah, it's a like Ndaramo from Muvhango. What do you mean? Leslie
You-
Musina, the Gabriel is also on it, and
Gabriel
Israel.
Temutan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I think I've seen it. Wait, later Ambo figure.
Arts and culture, so sports
Hey.
center. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You the casting director there.
No, not yet. Not then.
Oh.
I was working there last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I remember acting because you actually started the whole topic IT. When does the love for acting actually begin?
I think it started, when you watch TV, you want to wrestling sometimes, and you're like, hey, I want to be a wrestler. You know, you want to Fast and Furious, and then you read a growing oral.
Yeah.
So I think it just started like that as like a fever dream, or one day when I'm watching TV, I think, I want to do that. I want to do that too. And then this one day, I think I was like 15.
Yeah.
I was scrolling on Facebook and I saw an audition.
And how old are you now? If I could, you were 15.
I'm 22.
7 years ago.
Yeah. So I was scrolling on Facebook. I saw something about an audition. I begged my mom. I was like, can you please take me to this audition? And Nabawa Kumanga, where is this coming from? Because I'd never talked about it because I was just say I wanted to be a doctor.
Yeah.
Well, I am a doctor now, but
Yeah, technically. Yeah.
technically.
As long as So yeah.
So yeah, we went to the audition and I didn't even know what I was doing. But then the casting director said I'm a natural. And unfortunately I couldn't pursue that because it was in Pretoria and at the time I was in Venda.
How about you if you're audition?
It was some American stuff. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, American stuff is in the series sort of like
No, they
America,
they
or
were
it was
training
just people
to go do a series in America.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you wanted to go overseas?
Yeah, I
That was the
did.
plan.
Baby.
Wait, why about?
Oh. Yeah, they thought it was some human trafficking stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense then.
Yeah.
And then whenever I move Jisan, besides Zorun, you want to go to America. I'm not sure about the acting. I want to do this thing of acting.
I think at that time, like I thought it was like one of those things, like she'll get over it.
Yeah.
And then at some point, I started saying I want to actually study acting when I go to varsity.
Yeah.
That's when they started saying what I'm serious, and they fought me on it. Like I had to fight tooth and nail in order for me to go study.
What did they
acting.
want you to do? If that's when you're actually acting,
It was anything that is,
not
that-
acting.
Yeah. Not anything that is not acting per se, but like
Yeah.
just one of those lawyer, doctor,
The common
psychologist,
professions.
those kinds of things.
Okay. And then actually Thomas was films as audition. You only did that one, eh?
Yeah, I did that one, and then I didn't do any audition until I went to audition for university.
Oh.
Yeah, so in order for you to get into drama in some schools, you have to audition.
Yeah.
So that's
Okay.
what I did.
Mike, wow. Yeah, I told him. Yeah. Okay, I wanted to ask you also, or in as much as you were watching this thing, okay, you go, I want to act, I mean, was that one person and I used to see and like, I actually want to be someone, be like some of these people when I work at TV and
Oh, it was actually Tusombedu.
Tusombedu.
Yeah.
What was he doing when you were 15?
I'm not sure if that was when I was 15, maybe when I was 16 or 17. She was on, if you mean it's Tunzi, something like that.
I think I've heard the name, I haven't
And
watched
there
it.
was this other one, it was a very popular series. I remember I used to stay up after everyone slept on a Sunday to watch that series because of her.
How was it? How serious then in you don't know what they were there?
No, I'm just saying like because it was a Sunday, so people wanted to sleep early so we can go to school and work, but I always used to stay up to watch it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you mentioned that you went to AFDA. Like there's so many universities in Zambia of okay, you can go and do acting upon only like sort of this is already you jebaitana, but I know vets. Why did you decide what you're gonna do it at AFDA?
Oh, I actually initially I wanted to go to UP, My heart was set on UP. I flunked that audition like nobody's business.
Wait, so before university you have to audition for it?
Yeah.
Yo.
And after you don't have to, you just go through like an interview process. But a lot of universities, they expect you to do an audition.
Yeah.
So I did an audition at University of Pretoria, and it was so bad.
Why? What happened?
I think I was not well educated on it.
Yeah.
So because acting was just, sorry, my phone is buzzing.
No, you can answer it.
No, I just wanna equal.
Maybe the went audition.
No, not even.
What if you go to America?
They were to Instagram.
Yeah.
They were to Instagram. So I think I wasn't well educated on it because there was a lot of, I think it was like 4 different auditions that you had to do, and all of these things I realized once I was there, or I had no idea what I was doing, and I was lacking a lot when it came to like the education aspect on it. Because like a lot of people that I was auditioning with was people who had never done drama in high school, so they know these things.
Didn't you do drama, arts and culture?
Arts and culture.
Yeah, like basics.
Come on.
Well, I'm just saying, like I'm like, oh, I also did acting. I grade 9, arts and culture, all those things.
Come on, arts and culture ya Venda ya fana jo bege.
Arts
and culture ne kamzi kwetwa Kirona Christ the King zingafana mara zvakuma.
Zvafana. Tinofunga mvelele.
That's no way.
This is crazy.
No, but we never used to do any actual acting.
Yeah.
It was just sitting in class while the teacher's just talking, and then you write a test, and that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then Ashamazori, you didn't know the stages you had to go through auditioning. Like, what was your whole idea to audition for Ange UP?
I just thought maybe like they'd say like do a monologue, but then they wanted you to do a poem, a monologue, like a whole entire like artistic think piece.
And where's that coming from? Back when you like a script kind of, or you just come up with your own?
They don't give you a script. They just give you like basically like a brief. And if you don't know a lot about those things, then you're not really gonna know what to do, because one of them had to be like musical. So you'd have to be like very, very creative about it, and I was not the most creative. I did it like a poem, and other people were and I was just
wait,
like,
for audition yantu?
Yeah.
You're actor? Dana Katara?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because in acting you also do music. There's music performance. Yeah. So musicals.
Okay. And then almost what you did live performance.
Live performance.
Live performance
Yes.
is what you did. See? So when I was going to a state theater, like sort of live show, and then what we see on screen.
Yeah.
What's the actual difference between those two?
I think what the difference between screen acting and stage acting. Well, stage acting, it has a lot to do with your voice, your body, and there's a lot.
Body as in body language,
Yes.
No,
there's a lot that has to do with just the artistic aspect of your body. You know, you can also think wild. You are, there's basically no box. It's not real. It's not real life. You can do anything. You can be as artistic as you want, and also it runs from beginning to end. No cuts. If you make a mistake, you have to just keep going with it. And then with
and then have you ever done one? A state theater thing?
I've never done a stage theater thing. I've done like stage performances at school, but like I didn't really want to do stage acting. Yeah.
Or you wanted to be on screen?
Yeah, I wanted to be on screen.
Why? Actually, just because you know you were gonna make a lot of mistakes.
I think my problem is my voice. I don't have a loud voice.
So wait, what happens? Actor on screen versus on stage. So
on screen, like you have a mic like this, right? So you'll be able to hear me. Even sometimes with a mic, like some people are not able to hear me because I struggle a lot with projection. But when it comes to stage, sometimes you don't even have a mic, and then there's people sitting like at the top, and they can't even hear you because you can't speak properly.
So that's somebody needs to take one mic in.
Hey, what a mic.
Yeah, because I'm thinking of it, or even if you go mic with your voice, because I'm not going for. I'm like, hey, voice am to the way para kawa to I'm like,
no, I'll try to be louder.
No, it's fine. Just be yourself.
Okay.
Those guys, yeah. So, and then Ashka the difference.
Yeah.
Are you done on it?
No.
Because there's someone out there maybe who wanna do one of the two. So these are choose for you.
With screen, it's mostly just like it has to be very realistic. So it almost has to be like no vula vote nkobona bafuwena bosuzeni bakwamba. So it's supposed to be realistic, like the camera isn't even there, and then you get a lot of cuts. They do a lot of camera work with angles and all of that. But they're not really very different, but
Okay.
yeah.
And then how did you get to know of AFDA? Because AFDA is sort of the baron Joburg. I'm like, oh, there's something like, because out of him to acquire Joburg University, we always think of UJ, UP, Vets, all
No,
these.
a friend of mine went to AFDA, and they told me about it. And then after I got rejected at UP, I thought, okay, where else can I go? So I was at the apply. My friend was telling me about AFDA, and I was like, okay, cool. I went and did my research about AFDA. I applied. We went for a consultation, and they accepted me.
And then was she also there?
No, Muranga.
How did you guys meet?
Muranga did political science.
What about political science? That's why I want to attend the Mara. I feel like it makes sense. Yeah.
No,
So
we met on set.
really?
Yeah, she basically forced me to be her friend.
Oh. You can see.
So cool.
Ngandre nekutanga oje yawe.
Hey, all that time there, you will be my friend now.
Okay. And then also, I just come as AFDA. There's that thing you're not one AFDA, or good or actor and all that. And then one of the influencers, they are out there to take you guys' roles. How do you feel about that? Because when you hear that,
I feel like from a producer's point of view, I understand why they do that, but also from an actor's point of view, it kind of sucks.
just explain to these other people why do producers do that?
Oh, okay. So basically, I as the actor, my main focus is the art. How does this look? How is this character being portrayed? How is this character telling the story? Can this person act? And are they understanding the script?
Yeah.
And how does it look when a person is seeing it on screen or on stage? But the producer's point of view is, how much money is this film gonna make? So, already Kingsley ana 1 million followers ka Instagram. I'll post a story I'll post a story chashu. Usungabite yada bathu ba 100,000 badawabona movie wash.
Yeah.
Mara Sinete arna 3,000 comes to 20, comes 1,000. It's not the same, because if you are influencing 1 million people to come watch a film, they make the money whether it's nice or not.
Yeah.
And some people, they don't even care whether it's nice, they just want to see you. And then with me, if I'm a good actor, it's just, oh my god, this movie is really good, the acting was good. A lot of people don't really care about these things. Ombango namsi, sorry, already muthu asakonu actor, bamwe bathu abasikonu zvibona, bamwe bathu mangala rine ri chikuru muthu akonu actor. Yeah, like, obviously.
Onobona nyasa kono actor. No, it's fine. So I don't free numbers. Like, okay, let's use Skim Sam.
Okay,
I know you think it's not an influencer, I'm trying not to still they can act.
I don't really watch Scheme Sam like that, but all the people that I've seen on Scheme Sam, like, they know how to act. Yeah,
okay,
but
anyone come in, who do you know that can act?
I think she went to AFDA as well. She's an influencer, and she was also on Muvhango.
Influencer after Muvhango. Who's that? She was on Muvhango. She's no longer there.
Muvhango, yeah.
So yeah, you can give us the name. You must see this one. And you are AFDA as a connector. Who is it?
But people will tell you in the comments.
No, the thing is, here's the thing. The thing is, I want to know now. And because Ottawa probably for that reason they can't act.
I don't know.
You don't know why they left. Mara, you know they left. Who's that? Nimusizana. Venda kana Anthony Jobege. Jobege. Rendani ndo Venda, see?
Hey.
Just give me the name. Refer. Simple as that. NMP. Karabeds. Donga ndo umbura in the moon.
You don't know.
Someone didn't know Koban Olam Tasako next then a producer.
Hi. even I remember I was going through some of her comments. I could post Muvhango, and she was like, and someone said, maybe you should get some acting classes because your acting is very bad. I actually went to AFDA. I have a degree. I was like, whoa.
I'm a degree. But then, yeah, I didn't dinner once first.
Kingsley?
Ay, man, because I'm trying. Okay, over one wine. Okay, maybe you will give us the name eventually.
They'll tell you in the comments.
Yeah,
Tell them to comment below.
And then the influencers next, but then you feel like wakoja role uzashu and they just can't act at all. Because when the influencers, even if wakoja role, at least they try and do something to achieve better.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people are trying. And they can act.
Okay, Ufin Dumantando. She also got a role. Look at the Queen of the River.
The Queen, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know. I never watched The Queen, so I don't know.
Oh, you don't want to talk about it.
I just don't know because I've never watched The Queen. Yeah.
And then, cause these influencers are like, how do you guys feel? And some toy or school as good there. Abadi rachere. After fear durang a month.
Yeah, durang a month.
T. Deep guy arrange.
I think I paid
to complete the degree.
To complete my degree, I paid like 300 and something thousand.
How long?
3 years. So it was 100K a year.
Then move to our wanna follow us other than Jerem Shum. See? That's why I would have mentioned the person. Just say it. Like, yeah, you still say, how do you feel about that?
No, obviously it's not a good thing. It's like, imagine you've done all of the things that you needed to do in order for you to get this job.
Yeah.
You've completed all your tasks and someone just comes and swishes it away.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not the most happy about it, especially if like the person is not good at acting.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's like they just took this person because this person is gonna bring a lot of people to the show, it's unacceptable.
And then does Muvhango have influencers? Or it's just people who wanna do acting, wait to acting,
There are, but whatever, but it's the influencer bonita I should come.
Wait, if I did political science, see, then surely I didn't want to be an actor. I'm thinking at the one of the influence come back. Don't you think?
No, I don't think so. Because
no, I mean, no, because I know I acting after she went and did political science. Then she was like, I'll be an influencer and join Mbang.
No, but I feel like when it comes to something like acting,
yeah.
I had the same experience. My parents were like, you're not doing that.
Oh, yeah.
So sometimes it's like, I just want something to fall back on. Because you can't be a doctor from Google. You can't be a doctor because you learned tips and tricks on how to do plastic surgery on YouTube. But with acting, you can attend like a 12-week master class. You can do like something part-time. And then while you do something that is more stable. Because if we're going to be honest, out of, let's just say, I don't know, 1,000 want to graduate acting school every single year, maybe 10 are going to make it in the industry.
Which you are one of them.
We thank God.
Yeah. Eh?
Yeah. So like the last time they perform is at school. And then after that they don't perform ever again.
So the unemployment rate you're gay.
You're there isn't gay. You're there is.
And then alright, so I quit audition. Actually you mentioned I think the video and wow on TikTok. All time video.
I was also there.
Yeah, and then you reposted. You're like, I think I was also the kind of comment.
I was also there.
Where was that?
It was Polokwane, SABC in Polokwane.
Oh, it audition in Polokwane.
Yeah.
Where were you staying at that time? Yeah, or in Venda?
I was in Venda.
Oh. And then how was the auditions at Muvhango's and anything?
With the Muvhango audition, that was actually an act of God.
Why do you say that?
I was staying in Venda at the time.
Yeah.
So I was basically, during my back and forth, I was in Venda. And then I got a call from my agent. She's like, there's an audition in Muvhango, but they want a hot girl. They said they want she said they want a hot girl, send me your pictures.
So that was the requirement, Muvhango.
Yeah.
Want a hot girl. And you're like, I'm the hot girl.
I'm a hot girl, am I not?
I'm not gonna answer that. You didn't answer mine. Okay, I
okay,
I know it's fine. I read the deal.
I know I'm a hot girl. I don't need your approval.
Yeah, sure. You're still saying.
So I'm like, okay. They said send a self tape. after I sent my pictures. She sent me a script. I did a self-tape. She's like, they love you.
In self-tape, you work with them.
It's basically like see how you do an audition as you go there and they take a video and you audition in front of them. With a self-tape is the one you do at home.
Yeah.
So basically if you just take a video of you doing a monologue,
So
just like how people do. Huh?
So you're doing your 360s, turning around.
No.
Because they need a hot girl, so they need to see everything.
No, but she
Oh.
they secured that I'm a hot girl. Now they want to see if I can act. Yeah. So.
And then what were you doing on that tape to show that you can act?
I was doing a dialogue.
Yeah.
But I kind of turned it into a monologue.
What are you doing it with? If it's a dialogue?
No, it was written as a dialogue, but I performed it as a monologue.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice. So they sent you a script, and then you did it yourself.
Yeah. And then I sent them the script.
And then. Yeah.
When I sent them the script, not the script, the self-tape. I sent them the self-tape and they were like, okay. My agent was like, okay, they loved you. They need you to come for a callback. So a callback is basically the same thing, but in person.
My mind was elsewhere. Like, callback, I mean. Yeah.
So you have to go there in person and then audition online as well. And then it's like idols who go into Sun City. Yeah.
And where did you guys go?
We were supposed to go to SABC Studios where we're shooting right now, and I was unable to make it.
Yeah.
Like I was at home, my mom's car got a puncture, and I was not able to go because I planned to travel in the middle of the night. I planned to travel in the middle of the night because I had to go to work the next day. So I planned I'm gonna go travel, go to Joburg, do my audition, and come back home. And then we got a puncture in the middle of the night.
Who did you tell you're going to the auditions? No, just a normal question.
I didn't tell anyone.
No, like you can't just get a punch.
The only person who knew was my mom and my brother.
Okay.
Yeah, that like not a lot of people knew.
No, I got to make a show because you can't just get a punch out of nowhere
in the middle of the night. Yeah. So I called everyone I could. Or guys, this is the opportunity of a lifetime.
Yeah.
Or like anything. And I was unsuccessful. So I texted my agent. I told her, this is what's happening. I can't make it. Unfortunately, I tried everything I could. I'm sorry. And then she texted me. She's like, no, they said you should send a self-tape again with the new script that I was supposed to audition with.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, okay. So I put my makeup on. I did my hair. I did a self-tape. This time I did it with my little brother.
Yeah.
And we did a dialogue with my brother. And I sent it in. And I was so heartbroken. If I show you that tape, like you could see on my eyes.
Jambo, you should send it to us for people to see.
No.
Why? Then what do you mean if I show you that thing?
No, I'm just talking about like you could see.
Okay,
like,
you can just take a screenshot of it.
Yeah. I was crying the whole night.
Yeah.
I don't go there. And then I sent it, and I thought, they're never gonna choose me over someone who actually made the effort to come there. And in this industry, like if you don't come, they don't care about your excuses. They just assume that you don't want it enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you wanted it enough, you were gonna make another plan. So I was like, okay, fine. They didn't choose me. It's okay. I tried everything I could.
Yeah.
It's fine. The next day, don't know vacas, I'm just like, it's not gonna happen. I guess it wasn't my turn. Someone else, some other opportunity will come.
Some other hot girl.
Yeah. They will want a hot girl again some other time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So my agent calls me. She's like, where are you? I'm like, I'm at work. She's like, pack your bags. They want you tomorrow at 7 a.m. I'm like, what? What do you mean? She's like, you got the role. You need to leave right now. It was like around 12. She's like, come back, as you know, I want to puncture.
In case I want to Yeah.
Yeah, so I packed my bags. I went straight to Johannesburg.
And what were they calling you for? At there tomorrow 7 a.m.
I was going to shoot.
Same time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was going to shoot.
And then almost already they wanted the old girl, and then there's been that thing you feel, hey, Muvhango, they go for these girls whenever they've got, if you mean, huge ass. Like, so you also know at least.
Yeah.
Yes, is that true?
I don't know.
Okay, what do you see in studio? Do you see that?
I mean, I feel like a lot of people are normal. I don't know. Maybe I came when the era of big S's was.
Oh,
Over.
hatutanga na Matsidiso, right?
No, Mercedes saw our one.
You've seen it?
Yeah, I think she was the one with the biggest ass. Right? Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, of mini Matsidiso S is big on TV compared to.
Yeah, I feel like whenever I see myself on TV, I look tall.
You just look old, not tall on TV.
Old.
Now you look young. Trust
Yeah,
me.
but the makeup is up because they're supposed to make me look like, think about 3 to 5 years older than I am.
So what they don't make up or remove it now No, that's what you guys are saying. Because there are
No,
Matsidiso.
you know how they said the camera adds 10 pounds?
I don't know.
The camera apparently, allegedly, adds 10 pounds. So some people, they look bigger on TV, they look taller on TV. Then when you see them, you're like, oh, this is tiny, she's short. I also thought like a lot of people were taller until I met them in person and they're all like the same.
Who's that person you're referring to? Wait, Azundini. Are you referring to people like him?
No, Azunjini is tall. I think Wochi Rane, they looked much taller.
Uchi is tall.
No, like he looked taller. I'm not saying he's not tall.
Oh, just
Also,
compared to what you
Hosi
thought.
is basically like, he's probably like this much taller than me.
Respect the man. That's your
Aibo.
husband. That's a Hosi.
Mlaudzi.
Yeah, Mudau. Yeah, something like that.
Mlaudzi, no, Paranyana, Musuzeni, na Matsidiso, like Matsidiso to doing an.
Hey, maybe the other than I want to go on to you. Matsidiso. And then you spoke of agents. See? Who's the agent that you're using?
Color and casting agency.
Oh, the Mutunje straight.
She's a small girl in the industry, but she's doing big things.
Wait, over agent here waiting for automatic.
My final year, I think it was around November. That was 2022.
Who approached you?
I approached her.
Why? Oh, and Rofamish me with you. You
No,
want to approach you.
A friend of mine in AFDA is signed under her agency.
Yeah.
So I was signed under another agency, and a whole entire year, they didn't do anything for me.
But then, what if you're saying you are signed under an agency and they're not doing anything for you, and it's just not your time? Because you look like someone who believe.
Ningasi na agent ngwawothe hasabe na opportunity nanti audition nanti. Not even no, it's not even about the fact that I didn't get those auditions. They didn't send me anything. They didn't communicate anything with me. It was almost as if I don't have an agent.
Maybe as an audition isn't the rate or what they saw you'd be good at. Yeah. Have you seen new people on Skim Sam this year? No. Generations, no. What other soapies are there?
But it's not just about soapies. Commercials, small acting roles. Una the series is every day.
You would act those things?
Okay, I've never, but
you would though.
Yes.
Wait, last was where you see buyer, all those things. See? Okay, don't go
yeah.
Well, the river, the queen, all those things. Would you act there?
Yeah.
And then language barrier?
I speak Zulu.
You speak Zulu?
Yeah.
Really? Okay,
yeah,
what you good at guy?
Kuluma isiZulu.
I was only too proof. Because I'm not going to answer you. Yeah, like, so wait, what you good at guy? AFDA or?
I started learning Swati when I was still in Mpumalanga.
Okay, Swati makes sense, yeah.
Yeah, but and then Zulu? When I moved to Joburg, because Swati and Zulu are basically the same thing.
Nah, trust me, not.
Come on.
Okay, if you say so. And then Saudi, you know, almost okay, and it wasn't working good for you, so now you have this calendar. Yeah, so what is it that she's doing for you? This is the best. Besides getting the role, what was she doing?
She also got me a role on House of Zwide.
A role? Or she just got you an audition?
Well, it's a small role. I went to shoot there.
What are you doing there?
I was a nurse.
Oh, so wait, what's with you and health?
I know, right?
Yeah, so you're supposed to be a doctor. I did just work.
So cool. Even the first time, I was an extra on Guyani Land of Blood. When season? I was the last season. I was in my final year, so I was a nurse.
Naka Guyani Land of Blood.
Yeah, I didn't have any lines. I was just there. I was just an extra. Yeah, I was a nurse. I was a nurse there. I'm a doctor.
Like, how is it, man? Like, you're just a allowed to
extra, a background actor.
How do you feel about it? Do you feel like you acted on something or what?
No, I didn't. I honestly just did that just to experience, a professional set.
Because I know of a cousin of mine, she once went to Rhythm City. Lift ichivula. She was so happy for that. Then I'm like, oh, now whenever to takayori, wotodzula lift yavula. Apala ni figure duka tole. What is duka tole? So. Like how do you guys feel? What about extra ways?
I feel like at the time, like if it happened maybe when I was in first year, I was gonna be so excited.
Yeah, makes sense.
But like at the time, it wasn't about Ubvaka TV because I don't even think so it wasn't even about that. I just wanted to experience what it was like being on a professional set because I'd only ever been on student sets. So I was like, let me just go and see what's happening. And that was it. After that, I was like, I never want to be an extra again. I want to be speaking.
Do extras get paid?
They get paid crap.
Sorry,
am I allowed to swear?
No, you can do as you please here.
Yeah.
SABC, Black Couch, 2 different things. Yeah. So.
Oh, the pay is shit. Yeah.
How is it? What's shit to you?
If let's just say I Uber to set and come back, they end up badela more than what they pay me. And sometimes they can pay you 200 rand, 150, 250.
That's something, man. For someone, really? I know go Vakari Dim City.
If that's your,
you know, there are such people. I just want to be on TV.
If your aim is just I just want to be on TV.
Then you have to like assume, oh, maybe in the so.
Maybe although you're behind the scenes on the Mola Ducatole, maybe they just want that content.
Yeah, there's that.
If there's that, it's fine. But if your goal is I want to be on TV one day, this is going to be my break into the television industry. It's not worth it.
And then how do you differentiate between a legit, agency and also a false one?
Hey, however, in order for you to get signed by us, you need 5,000 rands.
How much did you pay for Tukali Rand?
I paid, how much? I think it was like 350, 400.
Oh.
It was to join her agency, you have to attend workshops. So you need to pay to get to attend those workshops for free. Yeah.
One other guy, is she based here?
She's based in Germany.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. At least. And then on the way I done to I want this is what we want from you. The just give us a certain amount. To assist someone and
no, it's just if the agency is gonna be bogus, if they want you to pay like a lot of money, and also if they're just gonna say, give us your pictures. They don't even try to to
get to see if you can act.
Exactly, yeah. They just say send us pictures, it's fine. And then they don't even want to see whether you can act or not. They don't want to. It's basically just they just want you to yeah. If they never call you for anything, if they all they do is background stuff, and those kinds of things.
I should have asked you if you've ever done or if you've experienced someone come to you and say, let's do a couch casting. Of which you know what that is, right?
I've never.
You don't know couch casting?
No, I'm saying I've never done it.
Oh, no approach. Okay, maybe you didn't do it.
No one has ever approached me for it.
Like, I know, roles, like you said, roles yako on that industry.
Yeah.
So in order to get
wait.
Yeah, nice. That's where I was going. Arif.
No, okay, it wasn't. Okay, they didn't say it like that, but
obviously they won't be explicit.
Yeah, because it never went that far. I shut it down immediately.
Let's hear the story.
Also, this person they got funding from the government.
You can also explain to these people what couch casting is so that they understand.
Oh
man, maybe you know a better way of explaining.
Pull up
Wikipedia.
Not Wikipedia. Urban Dictionary.
Hi, I also got that shit. Like, guys, this is couch casting. Work with us so. Now when I film Trojanaka role and couch casting, just know they went through this and this.
Bumps for the role.
Okay, nice. Bumps for the role.
Bumps for the role.
Yeah. You're still telling us your story of bumps for the role. Yeah, let's see.
So basically, this person got some funding from the government. They were gonna do a film, and then you were supposed to text them for audition details. So you text them, say, hey, so you send like maybe a picture of yours, your age, low biography nyana, and then they have to give you the details.
Yeah.
And instead of him giving me the details for the audition, I think I might even still have those texts.
Now you can give us the text. We want proof. Yeah.
So instead of him saying, okay, this is where the auditions are going to be and whatnot, Or, oh no, that person told you false information. I'm actually not looking for a role, any actor for a movie. I'm looking for a wife.
And then what happened from there?
I was like, fuck you.
Just like that.
I was like, excuse me, what do you mean? And then I called the person, right? I was at work. So the people that I was working with in the casting department are also actors. So one of the people was the one who plugged me with this person.
Yeah.
So she took the phone because he said something totally different to her. He said, okay, I will let you know what, all of that. And then she's like, how? Kanti, when you're looking for a wife, you're not producing a movie.
Yeah.
No, it's just a joke. And you guys don't have a sense of humor. Because now we were like serious, you know. She was on some, hey, expose, post Facebook.
Yeah,
and
post
what was, you know, no, it's just a joke. Why everyone is no sense of humor and all of that. And then my agent sent me the brief for that same thing.
Yeah.
And I was like, one that was in a screenshot. And then like she texted him and he was like, no, this one just doesn't have a sense of humor. I'm like, give a sense of humor. I mean, we're mshimonia.
Screenshot na dzina lawa. Yeah, right. No, I'm just yeah. So and then also, you know, Muvhango, straight, like, how has it been for you? Like, Muvhango, like, how did your life change?
First of all, the experience has been amazing. I think everyone there is absolutely nice, and it has changed my life for the better. Like, I'm living my dream. I'm now seeing what it is like to actually be on TV. I'm being challenged in so many different ways.
Yeah.
It's all good and dandy. But it's all for the better good.
Actually, you're living your this year sort of like a dream come true. Are you saying you've always wanted to be part of Muvhango, or it's that thing you're no Muvhango didn't so I'll do it for the sake of it?
I wouldn't say the latter.
Yeah.
But it's like I've always wanted to be.
I thought you were the latter. My face, sorry.
It's just like the second thing, the last thing you said.
Yeah.
So it was always like I didn't really have a TV show and then maybe like adulting but
you wouldn't do adulting?
I wouldn't do adulting.
Why?
Not while my parents are still alive.
Okay, so they have to like be late for you to do adulting.
No, because like also it's not even just my parents. Everybody that I respect, everybody that respects
I feel
me.
like these people should understand that this is your role. You enjoy acting, so you'll do anything to like show your talent.
You see how that sounds?
No,
I'll do anything.
No, let's focus on the talent part.
I'll do anything.
Okay, not anything.
I will do anything.
Not bounce for roles. But then whatever that has to be done on set, I will do. No,
I feel like there's a limit. Because
what's
even
wrong with
adulting?
The
the sex scenes are way too explicit. I personally
wouldn't
feel
you would
comfortable.
do them if you're under the blankets?
Yeah, if it's one of those like non-explicit sex scenes, like yeah, sure.
Or you would do those?
I would be. Maybe I would be open to that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can see my ass, you can see my boobs. No, because I was even like hey, that's this window the kiss with my.
Oh, you guys kissed?
Oh yeah, we did kiss. We kissed a couple of times.
Hey, it seems like you enjoy it the way you said a couple of times. Yeah, she is enjoying, right? The way she said it.
It just happened a couple of times.
How many times?
I think it probably happened like maybe like five or so times.
So you're also counting? You're definitely enjoying this thing. Trust me, you enjoy it. So you can't be counting just
no,
like,
but
okay,
it's only a few times. So if Arandando 27 times, you are counting.
Oh, I thought you said 5 times. Oh, you said a few times.
I said a few, maybe 5 times.
Oh, you see, yeah, you did count. So it could be 5 or 6.
Could be 5, 6, 4.
Not 4, 5 or 6. Yeah, something like that. And then how does it feel after that? Like you kiss someone on set. How do you look at each other after?
Oh,
cut.
My very first time was so weird.
First kiss.
I felt so weird. Like it was the very first time I'd ever kissed someone that I'm not attracted to. Someone I don't have.
I'm just saying.
I've been kissing people in real life, not on TV.
Oh, how many?
Yeah.
No, the way you're saying, like, I've been kissing these people.
No, I just mean like.
As long as you're not on TV, I'll kiss you. That's what
No,
you're saying.
I mean like I've been
boyfriends.
Boyfriend.
So
you
you
know,
have
it's
one.
I've only ever kissed like people that I'm attracted to. Yeah. So I'd never
attracted to and dating, right? Not
had
just
attracted to dating, all
yeah.
of that. But I'd never had someone I need like I'm not dating them. At the time like I'm just seeing you as a colleague, like you know, like we need to kiss. We hadn't even known each other for 2 weeks and we had to kiss. So it was so weird because I'd trained my mind ever since in the university. One day I'm gonna have to kiss someone.
Oh, so that was your plan. No, I'm just saying, like,
no,
you always knew.
No, it's like the things we talk about at school. Or sometimes you're gonna have to, you know, encounter this. Not the bums for rolls. It's yambi or I wait bums for rolls.
Yeah.
So it was always conversations we had, or you know, you might have to do something like this. Don't take it too personally. It's just
And then if you are doing bums for roles now, come bang, who are you giving the bums to?
I don't know, a producer, something.
No, yes, you said the producer. Isn't it the producer?
I don't know.
Oh.
Things I don't know. I don't know these things, so I don't even know. If I were to do bums for roles, I might even give the wrong person because I don't even know who you're supposed to give it to.
See? Hey, now it's a problem.
Because other people,
now you're gonna give
other
each and
people,
everyone.
the AD and the AD also
What's an AD?
Assistant director.
Oh yeah.
Assistant director angopa man cleaner. They can't do
Kanapa
anything for
makeup
you.
artist.
What's the makeup artist? But we're lighting.
Hey, I guess I'll go one TK. How will the cover street? Yeah.
So yeah.
And then so you kiss Hosi, and then I dare come back as this.
Hey,
I'm really going back to that topic now. So yeah, you do it, and then second time is still like awkward. And you're like, this is my man. I'm gonna do it anytime.
No, I think after that we had a conversation about it because I opened up to him about it.
What were you saying to him?
No, I was just like it felt so weird, and I don't know what to do with this feeling.
And he looks like a nerd. Is he a nerd also in real life?
Oh no, he's not. He's
so
the
I was
total
when you
opposite.
tell him, dude, hey, that was so awkward, kissing you and all that.
No, but like I think we had sort of built like a friendship because we spend a lot of time together because we are. At the time, it was just me and him. I was only doing my scenes with him.
Yeah.
So most of my scenes were with him.
Scenes as in the shooting scenes. Because now people are thinking of what scenes are you doing on set?
Every time ndichiko shoot ndachiva ndikuhamba naye.
Yeah.
So rachipedza chifhinga chitafuri kuita ndiri kurana the lines and all of that. So in between the running of the lines, you know, we'd have conversation, getting to know each other just to build a chemistry between us so that, you know, we don't look awkward or uncomfortable with each other. And I feel like it's much easier to build a relationship, platonic relationship, a working relationship outside of set in order for you guys to be comfortable with each other.
And then hasn't he tried maybe some meeting on union, maybe after set?
No.
So if the cameras are off now, it's like Reneilwe, that was so good. You can actually do it even after.
No, he hasn't.
Oh, really? Okay. No, I'm just making sure. No, I think I'm going to make sure. Okay, now
no, it's strictly just a work thing. Yeah.
Okay. And then the people you were so excited to see, Muvhango, who were they? The cast.
I think I was excited to see Matsidiso.
Right?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, because she's so beautiful. I wanted to experience that beauty that I'm always gawking at on Instagram in real life. I remember the first time I saw her, she was passing by. I literally went.
And then she didn't know you.
Yeah, she didn't know.
She's like,
no, I was walking off set. She was walking into the studio. And then she just passed me, and I was just like...
She didn't say hi, she didn't say anything?
No, like, and I was actually talking to someone, and then I just, like, while I was still having the conversation with that person, and she was on her phone, like, I was starstruck.
And then a guy you've always wanted to see?
A guy? I don't want to say that one.
Which one? What do you mean you don't want to say that one? Who's that? Come on. Are you going to... Heaven. Not this time around. Now let's talk about this one. You've always wanted to see.
It was Venda.
Venda mzimuti? That's ndiva uchaita kuwa. Why?
No, I always thought he was really cute. Like I kind of had a little crush on him when I was still younger.
You'd kiss him.
Oh no, come on.
No, so you're sorry I don't feel okay, so tenda. Oh, yeah,
No,
Venda
like
na
now
Reneilwe.
I'm over it. It was when I was still younger. Like I saw him and like I feel like TV doesn't do him justice. Oh, that man is so fine.
Really? I don't know why I'm saying who. Because now I look, it's giving, I don't know. Okay, yeah, so call that then. You see me like, oh, okay. And then now, ila cast your tembango, can you only see certain people whenever work naye.
No, you only see because like how they work is you have different scenes happening on the same day, right? So they say okay, today we'll shoot a scene zono kuitwa Dukatole na Royal House. So the batho bona kote shoot hezo scene fades. So anga the one where ona mthane ubvachenda ya atotangana naye because every time the naye redza ari kudanga maduva safari.
Who's the person you ever met?
Mulimisi.
Hey, right. Hey, at least you're like. Like, hey, I also would want to meet him.
Well, Makazi. I haven't met her. And I think
white hair, right?
Yeah. I think Nabwangwani and Netruva. But I've seen mostly everybody.
And then have you met Duma? Anyone Duma?
Oh yes, I have.
Where did you meet him? Because
first time I
always
met.
the on set.
No, he's not always there, but he does come occasionally. Yeah.
Walk with the check.
We even did a workshop with him.
Oh.
An acting workshop, yeah.
Wait, you did an acting workshop after non-automo actor? Because remember you went there and you had to shoot like at 7 a.m. the day after.
So obviously like they picked you because they know you can act. So like you already can act. So the workshop is just to embellish here and there where you are lacking.
No, build that relationships maybe. Okay, and then are you working as when that's full-time, everyone is on contract?
There's no full-time into an entertainment industry. Everybody's a freelancer, from the makeup artist to the production people. Because the thing is with these shows is they can end anytime.
Wait, freelance and a contract are two different things, right?
No, there's a freelance contract.
Oh.
Yeah.
You got to come for
a freelancer and trying as permanent. Yeah. And also another thing with that is the show can end anytime. They can just like a show. You might start it thinking, okay, it's gonna have 10 seasons. Then after one season, it's over. Then yeah.
But at least that I found out of you in Okatwa in show
yeah. So they can kill your character anytime.
How long is your contract with them?
They gave me a 5-month contract.
5 months?
Yeah. So
How
it
long have
could
you
still
been there?
be renewed. This is my 4th month.
4th? So next year we'll now part. If we not next month.
Yeah, I still have next month, and then after that we'll see if they renew my contract.
Do you think they will?
I don't know.
You are supposed to talk to the right person. Because now you know, and then you're not renew your contract. That's where you should be sitting on the couch. No, but then also if you do the right thing, then you extend it another 3 years.
Yeah. So Reneilwe, or does Reneilwe have longevity on Muvhango?
And then also people but so far Muvhango. What's your primary role Muvhango? For what they don't really watch Muvhango. But when on TV. Yeah, so what's your primary role there?
Oh, okay. I play Reneilwe. And one of Nkele Neshitangani.
Why?
Nkele Neshitangani.
That woman was bonding.
Yeah, she's a billionaire mining tycoon.
Oh.
Yeah. So but whenever Reneilwe ukotoda khosi yakho mtodera chelede. Respect Reneilwe. Her mother is a billionaire.
What's your deal with your mom? Seems like you guys are there to disrupt everything.
No. Yeah.
The way you veranga, hey, kujira James, the campaign, the share, I mean, I'm going to through Venda through Buchiro. I think that's what I was getting when he was What's the pain in there?
No, I'm just a doctor. So I'm MCT.
Yeah. And then why did they give you the name Reneilwe for Venda? I mean.
Oh, I think initially the role was supposed to go to a Sutu Bedi person.
Yeah.
And then they just maybe couldn't find it and they changed it.
And then why didn't you ask them to change it to a Venda name? Maybe.
It's out of my hands. If they say my name is Reneilwe, that's it.
So even if they'd called you Mulimisi, you'd still be fine.
ndimshumoni yange aunoredi this is what I want.
Yeah.
Zvezvo zviambaro zvine ndambadziwa ndizvine
Yeah.
ndakuambadziwa hairstyle dzine ndakuitiwa
Oh, so zviambaro ndambadziwa ti aunofuna mtu anorodhana zviambaro zvavo cause ndiwa part time kana mina
maybe avo vadzi extra but then
Obvious,
zviambaro
aula.
zvavo yeah
Mm.
mara the people that have like significant roles they have you have your own wardrobe.
And then what happens when you leave? La zviambaro zviyagai?
Sarange
So
the wardrobe yarineiwe.
So zviambaro rinele akatiwa wardrobe zviambaro zvingakadhiratiwa if possible.
They can recycle them or maybe you can buy them from them.
Oh.
So maybe if una vurukwe rineiwe avachiwambara ungadepiwa ndiwavo.
Okay. And then back to Khositi. You know when you came there, Kambang, Khosi was single. You got him from someone, the receptionist, right? Omonaka receptionist Khosi, right? So the way you were so good, Kaila Pachi Jamun, I was like, is this the first time doing it or like
what the hell?
The experience is too much because for someone I know that you finish, you know. Now I'm concerned. Was it your first time taking someone's man?
Yes, it was my first time.
Jambo wako na itaza ku. Because that was I did this all. Okay. And then also Muvhango na pointi rarko na rote. It was so enjoyable. Everyone was talking about it. Which Venda, but Venda bageva Muvhango. Everyone wants to learn Venda vaya Muvhango. And then I'm just party of Muvhango to lose a plot and all that. I'm sure you had such things, because you were not even there. And then do you feel like Muvhango hune vatu vanga takaera? And then also why did you want to be part of something vatu is going down the drain all the time?
I think it was because the same thing happened to Muvhango that happened to Generations. They had to completely change the plot. So I think when you are used to a certain thing and it just changes out of nowhere, like now you have to catch up to a new thing.
Yeah.
Instead of, because like you see how Skim Sam has been the same through and through from the beginning. And that's how like people are able to still think, oh, Skim Sam is relevant. But when something just changes out of nowhere, like Misa, like I also get it. It's like, you know, if you missed an episode and then now you have to catch up after a few days and maybe you missed the time to catch up and you have to
restart.
Yeah. So it's like that. I think it's just a matter of like once the plot changes, you have to catch up to something. Now you're like, who's this person now? What's happening here? Is you know with Emini, and I think but I don't think Muvhango like who are the takadza?
Mara, do you think it's still there where it was before, or is it even better, or below?
No, I don't think it's better. I think it's just different. Yeah, I don't think it's better. It's worse. It's just different.
Nah, you'll get it, man. It seems like you're good at acting. Or so yeah, you really are good. So today, I wanted to ask you, there's other question and I wanna come out and deal with this. Oh, you get the role of Muvhango now. But hayani are Venda because you're probably based there before she Muvhango. How are people now seeing you? Oh, no langwana makwarela zin. Rasinya gunamba na ye. She's not a big deal now. No Muvhango. But how do people like receive you now?
Sorry.
Ukumbula mtu wa vieta ntuzi.
No.
Panja tele.
No, I think because I was here for the most part, I haven't really had a lot of personal interactions.
Yeah.
But over like social media, all of a sudden people want to talk to me. All of a sudden people want to video call me.
All of a sudden people want you on podcast.
No, but it's like it's not even about someone I don't know. I'm trying to come to the call.
And you wanted them.
No, not that. We were not friends. We never exchanged numbers. We never talked. Maybe we were even in the same class, but we never talked.
Yeah.
Now all of a sudden, then I'm saying, hey, don't put number on man,
Maybe in the one and like.
No, but maybe we've been following each other. We've been friends on Facebook for years. And then now all of a sudden you want my number. Now all of a sudden you have to talk to me. Now all of a sudden, come from video call and diva.
Hey, people are dumb. Yes. Hey, what did you say? Like, why would you do that? It's not talking guy. It's just talking guy.
Oh, nani? Ndo wandi naye ndilinde bamloba rarchavani. So Venda bamloba.
Oh.
So I'm like
And you got to professor Ravani. No guru. Venda.
So like this other man, Roy Martina Woolworth. This other man is like
Woolworth is, you know. Sinete man. Chafi Nandis pa Rarima Woolworth. That's good.
Rarima Zina Woolworth. And then I woke up and I don't know if like this is if some people say like oh but when someone says I think I know you, the first thing that registers in my mind is not, oh, they probably saw me on TV, because Tong was the way so before TV. So like I'm always just like, I don't know you, so I don't know where you know me from. So I was like, I don't know. Do you know me?
Yeah.
Muvhango.
Udio maketanga yo mthu asongotende zosi. Oh, zawukuma.
Afindiene. Abarindumbona duva na duva chi afi.
And then what did he do after
And
that?
then she's like, "Abatho do for diwana."
Achiko market. Maybe you should make a agent. Anya ku agent.
And then there was even this other day. It was a couple of weeks back. Rari MGB. We were taking pictures.
I've been looking at MGB. I'll tell you what to tell you.
Wow.
Zawukuma.
We were taking pictures at MGB. And then other one went and they weren't even asking that. They weren't even asking about that. Oh, the Usuri MGB Jenny.
Make sure in the end I never move on. And she knew. And she saw it. And then how do you handle such things? Like for the fame, I mean, because now you are getting famous. People are going to notice you each and everywhere you go.
Oh yeah. It never really happened in Joburg. And I always just see people like staring at me like they think they know me.
But they never,
but they never come up to me.
I know.
Like I remember I was at the vision and shop at Kingsley.
Nah, it's fine. Nah, Kingsley normal. Kingsley guy. Oh, Tabani.
So
I've been talking about Kingsley and Tune. The Mall of Africa. And then I read as normal. Yeah.
And I can see them following me because there was so but I was just like, it's fine. And then I go into clicks and they surround me. I'm like, I'm about to get mugged. And then I'm like, yeah, what's up? I'm like, yeah. And then they started fanning so hard. It made me so uncomfortable because I'm like, that's one
thing I've seen.
So like and they were just like shouting and like it made me so uncomfortable. But I was just like, okay guys, let's take pictures because then
Babus. Then influencer Babus, right?
I don't know.
She's not an influencer.
She's not an influencer.
She's a good actor.
She's not an influencer. I think even the followers that she has now, she got them from Muvhango.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not sure though. But
okay.
Yeah.
And then also, when you got the role in Muvhango, I think they were like News 24, that page online. It can be also, Sinete Reneilwe Nemakonde gets a new role from Muvhango. And then she said she's about, there's a quote here, young Mario, she said she's about to do this thing where I
want to do the most.
Yeah, that's the quote. I want to do the most. What did you mean by that? And are you doing the most? Actually, Oscar at the most.
No, I just
bubbles.
meant I want to penetrate the industry. I want people to know who I am, and not just I want to be famous, but I want people to see my talent and my hard work. Yeah, I just want them to know, Sinete did that. Sinete, she killed that role. She's doing Reneilwe justice.
And how do you feel? Film Pelachimo poster on Twitter where Reneilwe is getting, Sinete is getting the role ya Muvhango. Achko, you guys came na Nandiwa, right?
Yeah.
Because I think you posted the two of you. Na vango watu wazwinga it.
Yeah.
How was the feeling there? Because the guy I feel like is huge in terms of industry review.
Yeah. It was exciting, but it was also nerve-wracking because that was a time where it was like, you know, that time when you are pregnant and you're still hiding it, and then someone posts a picture of you pregnant.
Oh.
Yeah. So it was like I was still in the hush about it. I was not ready to start telling people about it yet. Only like.
Mario, you got in the role though. Why not?
Yeah, I know, but it's just. I think indeed the trauma ya puncher.
I knew it
Yeah, so I literally was like gonna keep quiet about it until I didn't know actually. Like no one told me it was gonna happen. So like what is this? So yeah, I think it caught me off guard, but it was exciting because I was like, oh, finally the cat's out of the bag. Now I can start posting all the content that I've been taking on set.
Oh yeah, and then also I wanted to know, you are shooting tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Although people don't know people, okay, now I know you are going to shoot tomorrow. So in episode in Akushita, when does it drop? How long does it take for the air?
It depends, because I started shooting in early December, and then my debut was early January, so it took about a month.
A month, yeah.
Yeah, so I got married.
Wrong.
I got married January and it aired like end of February, I think. So it's about a month. Yeah.
So okay, jumbo COVID, yeah. Oh yeah, also mbangani are you affected by COVID? Because I wanted to check whether okay if you go COVID yobuya Renerde wona chipinga chingapana until each day breaking food.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, makes sense. And then in conclusion, I wanna ask this. There are so many questions that these are what's conclusion. So Ambazori wouldn't do the film, the sex scene, and all that. What are some of the other things that you wouldn't do on screen? On screen.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I wouldn't do anything. Yeah, I think it would just be sex scenes because with everything else, if maybe it's like something that I am against, maybe it's something political or anything like that. It's just for the art. Maybe the writer wanted to send a message. So I can't think of anything that I.
And then also, I remember the sex scenes, there's just a lot of like bumps, boobs, and all that. I feel like now if I never will sign maybe it's contracts and I don't know show such things. Cause watching adulting, hey, in a combo or Ivona, I will not rotate. I mean, there was something in TMBC. She was also there, Mara. Nothing was showing there as compared to Zawangovat. So would you do that?
Yeah, if it's like I'm on a show like that, but I'm not doing any sex scenes.
She was doing the sex scenes, just that Asakobonara shit to that much.
Yeah, if it's not too explicit, I can do it.
Or probably not explicit, not that you wouldn't do it.
Yeah, guys, I still want to get married.
Oh, but people would understand. Actually, do you feel like it would be easy for you to get married to a new industry than out there? Because probably they understand the so can be kissing Kosi here. Because Rengar Hanore, hey, Kosi mean mature Africa kiss our food. And I say,
yeah.
Right, something like that. So you think it's easier that way?
No, yeah, you have to. They don't have to be in the industry. They just have to understand. Because some people are in the industry, but they don't understand. They're in the industry. There's a sexy panda. Mara, they'd be like,
like yeah.
Hey, sex and therefore, maybe you are the cameraman. Mara, this person would be like, my wife could never. I will never let my wife do that. So you just need a person who understands.
And then would you act a scene in a walk to a lesbian role?
Yeah.
So there's nothing Chinangari this is against Junen and I believe a cause which I won't do. As long as producer can direct.
It's not real life. It's not real life.
Okay. And then also since that we done Otambela role fear me. ya mnyanya which means vathu vamudhiri no hatinyange kuchata lunji lunji inova Venda ti so zvazviitiwi luviri nyangasi luviri if nochata ka-TV. Would you act a scene in they're killing your role by killing you?
I mean, sometimes it's not even a choice.
But then sometimes angahana uri ndingasiitambe ntini ndikotovurayiwa ndalova ndaona na bokisi langa isi valbete valbete rotiri vavona vakohwaliwa namini vorifuna all those people.
Yeah, I think like people need to understand how to differentiate the fiction from the reality. Uri vobulungiwa vo albert.
Because now
because arali Reneilwe atwinchiwa aitwa rufu. Twinchiwa
Can
Reneilwe.
No. No, you can always give us bloopers.
No, ndikoravambori arali Reneilwe afu kutwinchiwa. Otwinchiwa Reneilwe angotwinchiwa ne. Just like when people come up to me on some ininojiya munhu wamungu ndimbodhichiwa rukwambo mini apetu ngori ne tongojiya munhu wamutu. And then when they say
mujiya zvidivi nga vathu. What is zvazvitopfoka zvidivi nga vathu. So you're like vazvidivira gai vathu. I'm just saying.
Yeah, so like I honestly distance myself from her because sometimes when you don't know me, you might think, "Ore, that's me." When you see the person on TV, and like, there's so many people when them in real life and them on TV, totally different people. So they learn to distance themselves from that character because that's not you.
Yeah,
that's not me. Reneilwe wears a Rolex every day. Mate naguroi. Like Reneilwe's mom is a billionaire. Like nendo ambara bracelet ya Shein.
Yeah.
Hey.
And I was about to say Shein and
it's from Shein.
Yeah.
Reneilwe wears a Rolex. She wears Cartier bracelets. So it's like all of that. She's a doctor. I could never be a doctor.
You should be a doctor. Trust me.
No, sorry.
With all these roles you get in.
I'd rather be a doctor on TV.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
And then Blood and Water, do you think you can act there?
You know, I've never watched Blood and Water.
You haven't? Why?
I don't know. It's like when something is too hyped up, I lose interest.
Throughout our life, not an actor.
No, like I always end up watching, but like at a later stage. So during the hype and all of that, I lose interest, but then at a later stage, I always go back to watch it.
Okay. And then this series is Fonga. These are people of your age of which you are watching. I can act this, maybe.
Yeah, Blood and Water, sure. What else is happening right now?
There's one called Youngins.
Yeah. Also, if adulting wasn't so explicit, I would definitely do it because I feel like the plot is also very interesting.
Whose role do you think you'd kill there? Yeah, adulting.
Yeah, I don't even remember these people's names.
What's the name of that girl? On adulting. The chubby girl. I think she acted on Scandal, if not at the Rhythm City. Yeah, this other girl, man. Actually, you look like a... What dreadlocks? I just forget her real name. Mara, it's fine.
Okay.
But what don't want to go to the one episode. I was comment and they're like, oh, yeah, I can kill a role.
Okay.
Something like that. And then, also, if Rambang and Brakambori, people are getting paid, so it's like shit, you did say. Would you say you, as an actor in a now, you're getting paid to the right?
I think for someone my age, in my position right now, like I'm 22, this is my first big girl job, and I don't have a lot of responsibilities. I don't have a car to pay for. I don't have a house mortgage and all of that. I'm getting paid really well. But in the industry, I think they could do better.
So if you have a kid now, would you still afford the baby with the same salary?
I'd be able to afford the baby, but I wouldn't be able to afford myself then. Yeah.
What's the range here in the industry?
I don't know.
As entry. You know, as entry level. Range are way going again. Because there's someone out there, they want to change their life. Mara engineering in Dololo, but they to Dokotera, nothing. So they feel like acting could be their thing. Mara, they don't know if they will be good.
I don't think if you want to now think that engineering is not going to give you money, acting will.
No, not really. It's not going to give them money. Just abangai ikoni. So wakona
Oh.
acting.
No, because it's different for different productions. So a person could be in the same position as me and earning much, much less than me or much more than me,
Deep
depending
your
on.
supone fero pungo yorder.
Lachipfela the rev. Mara too deep. Mara too deep.
And then what's your range? Anga make you kule yapona. Na yes, keso anambia nge. Like so simple. No, mara ndikulani if you're always in Venda, there's no Anthony, MGB, Woolworth, Venda Chibuya. Like this, no need to be traveling so much.
It's decent. Like it's pretty good.
Now if you're saying it's decent, then it's good.
I'm not complaining about it, but
Okay. And then would you act one of those stories with radio?
Yeah, it's pretty
Really?
well. Yeah.
I've seen a clip you're allowed to act. Like no you made a mic mtini wararu.
Yeah.
Then I'm like,
Strong I background vocals.
yeah, so.
Yeah.
So you think you would?
Yeah.
So
I don't know about my voice, but I think I would.
So it's not about you being on screen in that case.
Yeah. I could do radio. Yeah.
Wait, radio or director is not
Radio story, radio drama, radio presenting, yeah. Well, that's
you would do that?
I would.
You should get someone to replace Ka Parapara. Look what I got the music of it. Yeah, so something like that. And then also, besides acting, what are you doing in life?
Oh, I also do makeup.
Makeup?
Yeah.
So, as you go to makeup on Gay Kambango, do you sometimes feel like, but now you can do better, or let me just do myself?
No, you can never say, let me do myself. Because
I mean, just in mind, I could do better.
Not really. Those people are really good. Yeah.
The professionals.
Yeah.
And then what happened now? Is the business running? Can which way Manguru focus 5 months away?
No, it's running right now. I stopped, I think, in January, February, but I'm back in business now.
If you run a guy or Venda?
Both. Just depends on where I am at the time.
Because now it's graduation season. People are going to need makeup artists.
Yeah, if they're graduating, I'm here.
So which
I
one
even have a special.
Which one are you going to stop doing?
Which one?
Muvhango, they're going to excuse me. Are you allowed to give excuses? Like, I won't make it this time.
Well, with the contract that I have, I'm basically on standby Monday to Friday, 7 to 6 p.m.
So you're not allowed to get sick?
Not that I'm not allowed to get sick. Obviously,
that's what it is. Yeah, we're always on standby. I don't know if
you do have like leave days, but the thing is, like most of the time, you're not most of the time. You're not there every single day. Sometimes, right now, I'm going to work tomorrow. I haven't been to work in over a week.
So I say, Venda.
Yeah.
So you're definitely not doing anything if as an actor, right?
I'm either doing acting or makeup. Other than that, it's nothing.
Yeah, sounds like a good life though. At least I wanna live. You see, you are meant to be a nurse. I've been saying the whole time. Like, do you wanna ask anything? Muvhango koi. Why would they mean? As a to. I bet what TV na wango do this. I was only what the ceremony. What I did all that. Somebody do remember wango bad they want. Do you have a question? Yanto. I can't answer a question. Children do Meshila. Chat.
Do you have a question, ma'am?
Why would you have a question? Can not know what I need to say.
Hi.
Okay.
It comes with the clarity.
Hey, okay. And then, so before close, anything you wanna say to someone out there? Angawa kunya with acting. Ubvanga nge. Mara Venda. Makorera si Venda inangatori. Inspiring mtu wa makwara. Like those people are self-inspired.
You think so until you actually get into it, eh? Because at the time when I was working as a casting director, I saw how little people know about the industry. You see how little people actually know. Like, a lot of people are clueless. They just want to act. They don't really want to act. They just want to be on TV.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so...
I think I've always wanted to be on TV also. To show and dashing
so it's not the easiest thing to do. It's very difficult. But we're just gonna be
easier way to get followers. They're supposed to bring followers to the screen. Don't you think that's how it works?
Sorry?
Because people wanna go on TV to get followers because they're gonna be famous. and you're supposed to bring those followers that you have to the screens.
Oh yeah, like if the followers came from Muvhango, I probably would have had 100,000 by now. Yeah.
And then do you guys get the stats, the Muvhango, the viewership? Or, this month Roshima, so after Muvhango Reneilwe, you're Gonya, you're
No, they don't
They
give.
don't tell you guys.
They don't unless if you ask.
You should ask. Comment down below. So guys, I don't know if there's anything. Probably in 2 years' time. I should where do you wanna go after Muvhango?
Hey, I want to go any and every way, but at some point I have to leave the country.
For what kind of a role?
Honestly, I don't limit myself. I don't like that question because it's like you want me to box myself into, or this is what I want to do. I want to do anything.
No, maybe you never
I
know.
want to be a villain. I want to be a child. I want to be an adult. I want to be a church.
And how do you feel about that thing? There's an older person and a quick someone like
It's all about. At the end of the day, it's all about how we see things on.
Like, how would you feel about
if he looks the part, it's fine.
Okay, makeup will always do justice for them.
Yeah, because it's all about. It's not real life. At the end of the day, it's not real life. It's just what can I, as an audience, perceive it as real life.
There are people who actually do that. Ask KK about it.
What?
Apparently, if we were to watch it and for Zoromeme out there. Remember, he was abusive.
Yes. Yeah.
So people out there used to think he actually does it for real.
It's a lack of education.
Venda,
there's nothing you can do.
So you can so you should always know now people always see it as that girl
Yeah, that lady kind of scared me.
Which one?
Yeah.
Welcome. So guys, Rene,
nothing personal you want me to
why? Really? You want to tell me something personal?
No, I'm just asking.
No, you should tell me.
I don't have anything personal.
Okay, who's the boyfriend?
Who is the boyfriend?
That's the thing. Like, that question, Tony, that's so.
No,
now you're like, ooh.
No, I don't know. Maybe you wanted to get to know me a little better in any way.
Huh? Hey, what if the guy wants to be known? Are you hiding him? No, you are hiding the guy.
No, I'm not hiding him.
If you're not hiding, we just say, like, this is the guy with so on and so. Simple as that. And also and the person that got expelled for not being a good actor. That's how we're closing this show.
My agent.
Kambe.
Cut. Agent or cut.
Cut. Okay,
I'm cut my mic and go to
yeah.
What's him was up, ma?
Did the mute if you team?
Aye, just him.
Simple thing. Don't see my mic if you team and the cut. I promise. Okay.
You see me when Mikey?
I'm going to see me Maria.
Aye, okay, see me. Oh, cut you out.
Open the door, of course you can act. Let's name them.
No, I'm only name the one I was talking about.
Yeah. Who's that? But what those who get me up, bro? Who's that? Who's the kind of second one is in the lavender papas?
That's not even my name. That's not how you spell.
Man, I can't be Snella. Who's it? I remember. Hello. Hello, you much. I type him, Diva Mutron. Black was your dog in a shank.
Hey, aye.
Nah, I didn't try.
Aye.
Who is he?
I do, thank you.
So, guys, coming at you live from Lens Up Studios, 39 Gugumbribi Street, Newtown. Na orale, why original one of this?
Sinete. It's Sinete, not Sinete.
Yeah, with Sinete Nemakonde. It sounds so odd, hey? It's
Sinete
awkward, yeah.
Nemakonde.
Yeah, so Sinete Nemakonde, also known as Reneilwe Mrs. Mudau. So,
Dr. Reneilwe Nemakonde.
hey, akuhuma kezo. Zvine kuti
She's
pindu
a
yako
doctor,
zviamba.
respect her.
Okay, I will. So, like I said, if you wanna contact them, 08147347775 or lensups@gmail.com. On about Instagram, I am lenshub. What's your handles for people to follow you and see?
My handle is @snemakay, SNEMAKAY.
Snema K.
Yeah, it's like a mixture of my
Makonde.
name and my surname.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So yeah, guys, that's it. Now we're gone. As you promised.
Bye-bye.
Nadzina lam tu wawan. Arkat.